Right now, inside the glass walls of Apple Park, something is happening that hasn't happened in over a decade. Apple is about to commit treason against its own pricing strategy. For years, the base model iPad, the one you buy for your kids, the one you take to college, the budget iPad, has been the neglected middle child of the Apple family. It's always 2 steps behind, using hand-me-down chips and outdated screens. But as we sit here in May 2026, the leaks coming out of the supply chain aren't just whispers, they are a total system shock. The iPad 12th generation is no longer a budget tablet. It is a Trojan horse. Apple is about to drop a device that is so powerful, so efficient, and so integrated with AI that it might actually make the iPad Air irrelevant. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are holding an iPad right now, or if you were planning to buy one this weekend, I need you to stop. Put your credit card away. Because the device coming in this May window is about to change the math on what a $350 computer can do. We are talking about the jump from the A16 to the A19. We are talking about the N1 connectivity revolution. And most importantly, we are talking about the moment Apple Intelligence finally becomes available to everyone, not just the elites with a $1,000 Pro model. This is the deep dive into the iPad 12th generation, the most dangerous device Apple has ever built. To understand why the 12th gen is such a massive deal, we have to look at the AI wall. In 2025, Apple hit a snag. They announced Apple Intelligence, but then they realized something embarrassing. Their most popular, best-selling iPad, the 11th gen, couldn't run it. The A16 chip and the limited RAM were a bottleneck. It created a fractured ecosystem where the cheap iPad felt like a toy from the past. Tim Cook and the engineering teams knew they couldn't let that last. The 12th gen is the correction. The headline leak. The silicon. While everyone expected Apple to play it safe and put an A18 chip inside, internal codes J581 and J582 suggest something far more aggressive. There is a high probability that Apple is skipping the A18 entirely and going straight to the A19. This is the same 3-nanometer powerhouse rumored for the iPhone 17. Why would they do this? Because Apple Intelligence isn't a feature anymore, it's the entire OS. To run on-device LLMs, to handle the new Siri 2.0 with personal context, and to manage the image wand features without lag, you need raw neural power. The A19 provides that in spades. We are looking at a 40% jump in CPU performance and a massive 50% leap in neural engine throughput compared to the current model. But a fast chip is useless without the highway to move data. This is where the 8 GB RAM rumor comes in. For the first time in history, the entry-level iPad is moving to 8 gigs of RAM as the standard. In the US market, where we use our iPads for everything from Zoom calls to light video editing and heavy gaming, this is the single biggest quality of life upgrade. No more apps closing in the background. No more Safari tabs refreshing when you switch back to them. The iPad 12th gen is finally being treated like a real computer. Now, let's talk about the hardware you can actually see and touch. For years, the complaint about the base iPad has been the air gap in the screen. The non-laminated display. It makes a hollow sound when